This is why, because it keeps it very clean. This is cricket food. This is all cricket food and water. That's water. The store ran out of cricket food. But anyways, that's my Yeti. That's a Lunchbowl I haven't finished. Well, I didn't even open. And here's the freezer I never use. But that's why I always never put any open food in here.
At the time more commonly known as 11 p.m.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? So right now it's 11:24, and this morning once I woke up around 6:30ish, my parents and we went to the gym, and I did legs, abs, and back. Today's my Today I would have done chest, back, and abs, but I wanted to do legs because I wanted to see how much I can do, see what my max is. And I took a little clip of me maxing out at 360 12 times. And after that, I was very tired and went to my parents. They weren't done, so I was like, alright, so let me do abs, get that out of the way for tomorrow, and do back. So all I have to do now for tomorrow is to just do just do chest. So right now I'm playing GTA Online, and my sister's trying to figure out how to play online, and it's not really working out. So she's gonna sign up to probably a new account or something, and then go from there. So I'll see you later. So right now it's 6:56. Ever since ever since the last clip, my sister just got a little tired of trying to make an account because something went wrong, I guess. And then we ate breakfast. I was really tired, so I fell asleep. And now it's like 3, 4 hours later. So I got up. I well, we had two. Well, I had two bagel sandwiches. It was bagel, cheese, egg, and sausage with bacon. It was so good I couldn't even finish the other one. So I just wrapped up or put it in a Ziploc bag, and I just reheated it and ate it. So took the dogs out. I was gonna go to Walmart, but my mom said, wait till tomorrow to get dog food. Because you can go to I can go to Sam's Club for a cheaper price than what Walmart has for a bigger bag. So I'm like, alright, so I'll just wait. Plus, this gotta wait too. I only put drinks in here because if I put any open food in it, it's just gonna make it look like the kitchen fridge. So I've not put one piece of open food in here. The only food I put in here are Lunchables. So I don't think I'll be doing anything else today, but I'll see you later. So right now it's 9:08. I couldn't really find anything to do, but I do have this one thing I wanted to mention. So when I went to the gym earlier today, I maxed out. That was my new record. My old record was 320 15 times, and that was 2 years ago. And ever since then, I've not done a leg exercise. And then now I did legs today, and I got up to 360 15 times. I tried to attempt 380 once before I did the 15 reps of 360, and I couldn't do it. So that's my new record, 40 pounds more than what my last record was. So again, I thought a sip to chew on, so I think I'm in the vlog right here. So thank you everybody for watching. If you did enjoy, please subscribe to more vlogs. And again, have a good day. Goodbye.